having all of this. Well, talking about how you've been such a fan of McDonald's, we want to know, we've been talking, ever since you were young, ever since in your childhood, what is your go-to order at McDonald's?
Siyempre na bata ko, Happy Meal. Iniipon ko lahat ng Happy Meal.
Yes.
Lahat ng mga toys, ganyan. Pero for me, yung go-to ko, ang hirap ng tanong kasi ang dami kong go-to. Of course, the chicken, spaghetti, yan, given yan. Depende yan kung gaano kapagod ako nung araw na yun. Pero sa akin, kunwari on the go ako, it would be chicken nuggets.
Yes!
Yan talaga. Chicken nuggets, like a barbecue sauce. Thank you sa pag-effort, Thank you so much. Barbecue sauce, or yung ultimate favorite ko is Filet-O-Fish.
Oh!
Yes, kasi meron akong art ng paano kumain ng Filet-O-Fish.
Yes.
Gusto mo bang malaman?
Yes, we want to know. Paano ba kinakain?
Maarte na ako pero mabuti akong tao. Pero gabi lang ako kumain ng Filet-O-Fish. Dinidismantle ko siya. Inuunti-unti ko. So, ang una kong kagat, yung una kong kakainin, yung nasa ilalim na bread na may dill, may mayonnaise, and then may pickles.
Okay.
Ang pangalawang kakainin, yung pinaka-fish fillet na may natuna na cheese sa ibabaw. Uunti-untiin ko yun. Tapos yung pinaka-huli, yung pinaka-best part, yung pinaka-nasa ibabaw, mayonnaise, dill, tapos may cheese siya.
Wow!
Yan ang aking way.
Yes. It's like 3 meals in one. Sulit na sulit.
Yes, sulit na sulit.
Oh my God, imagine mo.
And I'm not gonna forget, yung, of course, soft serve, kasi nalalagay ko yung french fries. Dadagdagan ko pa ng asin.
We have a lot of enjoyers of
Natutuwa
that.
talaga ako today.
Gusto ko yan. Ngayon, it's even better because all of your cravings may points na.
Parang nga times 2 kasi, syempre ako, pero sinishare ko yung points ko kasi lahat kami sa glam team ko, mamakdo kami. So, every time meron kaming trabaho, after, talagang mag-drive-thru kami, ganyan. So, syempre, share the points naman. Hindi naman pwede ako sasakop na lahat. So, yeah, yun yung masaya.